in chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds. Let's go through the another theory. It is called allotropes. First we understood what is the allotropes. The element exists with two or more forms which have different physical properties but same chemical properties are called allotropes. Repeat. The element exists with two or more forms which have different physical properties but in same chemical properties are called allotropes. As we know, carbon makes many compounds and the reason behind that three allotropes of carbon can be seen. They are three allotropes of carbon can be seen. They are first diamond, B graphite, and C it is called fullerene. When carbon can be burned in the air, with oxygen in air, it make a form carbon dioxide. Three types of allotropes of carbon can be made by pure carbon, and when the diamond, either it is diamond, graphite or fullerene, burn in the carbon burn with in the oxygen or in air, make form carbon dioxide. The gas of carbon dioxide is, or carbon dioxide gas is colorless and odorless. It make lime of milky white. So with these features, we can say that chemical properties of all three are same. Chemical property of diamond, graphite and fullerene will be same. But what about the physical properties? Let's discuss one by one. First we discuss with diamond. Diamond shows three-dimensional structure and shows tetrahedral arrangement of carbon molecules. Diamond shows with three-dimensional structure, tetrahedral arrangement of carbon molecule. The valency of carbon is 4, so one carbon is combined with another 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon can be combined with another 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a tetrahedral arrangement of molecule. Let's discuss about the density of diamond. Is 3.51 gram centimeter minus cube. The density of diamond is 3.51 gram centimeter minus cube. It is very high density. Melting point of diamond is also very high. It will be 4203 Kelvin. So very high melting point. In the structure of diamond, the arrangement of carbon molecules are fulfilled with their one carbon molecule combined with another 3 carbon molecules, so they will be fulfilled with their valency and therefore diamond is non-conductor of electricity. Let's go with the second part and second allotrope. It is called graphite. Graphite has an arrangement of hexagonal arrangement. It shows the layer one by one. Let's draw again. It's something like layers with each other. Here the molecules of carbon can be present. In the arrangement of graphite, one carbon is combined with one or two bonds. Either it will be one bond or it will be in two bonds. It is the layer-like structure and the arrangement is called hexagonal arrangement. Let's continue with the graphite. In the structure of graphite, hexagonal arrangement can be seen. The refractive index of, here we write, the reflective index of diamond is 2.5. So it shows transparency, but the graphite cannot show this type of transparency. It will be slippery like sticky like structure, and the density of, here the melting point, and the density of diamond is 3.51 and the density of graphite is 2.22 gram per centimeter minus cube. It is very less in the comparison of diamond. The density of graphite is 2.22 gram per centimeter cube. In the structure of graphite, one carbon molecule will be free in the form so graphites are good conductors of electricity. city. One molecule, all four valency of carbon cannot be filled. One molecule can be remain. So the graphite are the good conductor of heat and electricity. Heat also conductors of electricity and heat. Let's go through. Third, it is called, first is diamond, second is graphite, and it is called fullerene. Carbon C60 molecules can join together and make a form of fullerene. It is like a structure of playing football like structure. US architecture of US Buckminster Fuller. The full name is Buckminster Fuller. Can discover this type of structure. US architecture Buckminster Fuller can discover the structure of fullerene. So here we saw the carbon 60 molecules can join together and make a compound fullerene. Any other element cannot have the tendency to make this type of long type of chain of molecules. Carbon C60 fullerene. The allotropes, what is the allotropes? And three allotropes can be seen by the carbon element, diamond, graphite and fullerene. Now go through the in-text questions which is given in the page number 61. Both questions are easy. Make a electron dot structure of CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 plus oxygen have two molecules. So oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus carbon plus oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make electronic dot structure. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sharing of two molecules and make a double bond. It is called O double bond C double bond O. Let's go with next arrangement of sulfur 8. molecules with electronic dot structure. We already know the atomic number of sulfur is 16. Sulfur 16. 286 electronic configuration KLM. In M cell it has 6 electron and make a structure with sulfur S8. Let's do it. Sulfur molecule 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sulfur and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In sulfur S8 molecule and make a structure like a crown. Let's see. Make a structure like crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sulfur molecule is like crown structure of sulfur. It's like crown molecule, crown. What will we study? What is the allotropes? 3 type of allotropes can be seen in carbon, diamond, graphite and fullerene, and 2 in-text questions which are given in the page number 61. Electronic dot structure of carbon dioxide with the formula CO2 and sulfur S8 molecule.